So you see, the pressure that I had that time. So, ang maalala ko lang naman po talaga noon na tip sa akin or rule when I took the civil service examination was never leave a question blank. So, wag mong hahayaan na wala kang sagot. Kasi mag-shade ka lang naman multiple choice. Unlike sa bar exam ko nung nakaraan, wala pong multiple choice, talagang essay lahat. So, to cut the long story short, nag-shade na lang po ako na nag-shade from numbers 93 hanggang doon po sa ating last na number 180, kung hindi po ako nagkakamali. So, I didn't have the, yung kapal ng mukha na i-check yung results months after. But to my surprise, andito po si Sir Fajardo kanina, si Sir Christian Fajardo, tama ba? Ayan, naging professor nyo rin. Tama? Ayan, siya lang naman nagbigay sa akin ng 1.0. Kaya nagpapasalamat ako kay Sir Fajardo. Ayan, palakpakan po natin. Ganun din po lahat ng mga teachers po ninyo. Ano po? He was the one who told me that I passed the civil service examination. Ayan, wala pa kayong kamay ulit. You know what? Napakahirap ng exam sa civil service examination. Bakit? Compared sa mga board examinations, you have to garner an average of 80%, not 75% na kagaya po ng bar examinations. And you could just imagine, I was only kalahati pa lang nasasagutan ko. Yung talagang seryoso. Was it magic? Was it coincidence? I don't think so. Later on, after graduating here sa PSU Lingayen, akala ko tapos na ako sa pag-aaral ko. Sabi ko nga noon, parang sa sobrang pagod ko po sa pag-aaral, parang ayoko nang mag-aaral ulit. Hindi ko na yata kakayanin mag-master's degree, doctorate degree. But here I am now, 9 years later, I enrolled in law school po sa University of Pangasinan, FINMA. I was so shocked sa environment sa law school. Noon, kahit hindi po ako mag-aral, I'm not saying this para ipagyabang sa inyo, ano po? Noon, kahit hindi po ako mag-aral ng mabuti, I could still top most of the examinations here when I was in college. But you know what? To my surprise in law school, it was my very first time that I was graded like 1 to 100. Ang score mo lang, 14. 18 out of 100. Parang hindi ko pa yata nasubukang kumalahati. Never kong maalala na meron akong score na 40 out of 100. Although sa iba, pero halos lahat ng examinations ko. So, believe me or not, kahit ipakita ko po sa inyo ang aking transcript, puro 3 yun. Halos. Which is, hindi ko po siya ikinakahiya. So,